Hi, my name is Eva Kao. I received care from MedStar Georgetown Transplant Institute, and as part of my care was that of Force Health.
So Eva presented to us with a situation called acute liver failure. Basically, for different reasons, your liver stopped working, and that's an emergent situation in which we need to move forward with a transplant quickly.
We happened to come across Forest Hills of DC when we sent our first patient there after liver transplantation. She arrived there needing complex care as well as rehabilitation and received that at Forest Hills and did extremely well after liver transplant. That's how I met Tina, the CEO of Forest Hills of DC, and that first patient was her mother.
Given my background as a healthcare executive working in senior living for the past 30 years, it gave me the ability to advocate for my mom during COVID because the world turned upside down. Systems and processes that normally worked had to be adapted. And so I was able to advocate for her care to step down a step at a time, to go from Georgetown to NRH, then over to Forest Hills of DC, where I work. I also happen to have, by coincidence, a really prepared team to work with transplant. I'm the daughter of a transplant recipient. I'm the power of attorney for a transplant recipient. And as the CEO, that brings me a certain amount of compassion and understanding for what that whole process looks like, what people have to go through to make their appointments, to get their care needs met.
Our goal with liver transplantation is to return patients to their best possible lives. That means different things for different patients, but we want you to get back to the things that you want to do. Forest Hills of DC has partnered with us to provide specialized care for patients after liver transplantation. This partnership is really unique in that it is a collaborative development between Forest Hills of DC and MedStar Georgetown Transplant Institute. What that means is that we're developing this program together every step of the way to make sure that we meet all of your needs to achieve the best possible outcomes.
But a very fun work with them, and also they told me to walk. I said I tried. In the hospital I couldn't walk that much, and in the NIH hospital I cannot walk until the finally get a Force Health. They make me walk with a walker.
Taking care of transplant patient that just came in is challenging at the beginning. At most, you want the patient to be comfortable with you and also to trust you to take care of them. This is a team effort. We work as a team to make sure all the team members are involved with the care.
So we're really excited about this opportunity to provide a unique, innovative partnership that's going to help people who need subacute nursing home type care as a transition to getting home. And this care is consistent with our mission and our vision as a 135-year-old organization that has cared for folks in the DC area for a very, very long time.
I would advise whoever have a liver problem patient, be happy and make it fun for yourself, not just sit there and make it sad. The family support is very important. You know, everybody help you a little bit. Everybody ask. All my daughters call me most every day.
I am so grateful for everything that the Transplant Institute team has done for my mother, from the nurse practitioners to the nurses to the physicians. And I know I say this on behalf of my entire family, my siblings especially, and my mom's siblings. We're extremely grateful. One of my uncles decided to become an organ donor because of this experience.